English short stories. The Domino Effect. The airport lounge was packed with stranded travelers, all staring anxiously at the departures board. Outside, flashes of lightning illuminated the dark, rain-soaked tarmac, making it obvious that no planes would be taking off anytime soon. We sat on our suitcases, clutching cold cups of coffee and listening to the rhythmic drumming of the storm against the massive glass windows. We wished the flight hadn't been delayed by the storm, as every passing minute ate into our tight schedule. Initially, the airline staff assured us that the delay would only last an hour, which gave us a small glimmer of hope. However, 60 minutes quickly turned into 3 hours, and our optimism began to fade. By the time the gate agents finally announced that our plane was ready for boarding, the realization of our situation started to set in. We knew our chances of making our next flight were rapidly shrinking, but we hurried onto the plane anyway, hoping for a miracle. Unfortunately, luck was not on our side that evening. The turbulent flight took longer than expected due to the strong tailwinds, and by the time our plane finally touched down at the hub airport, it was already midnight. We dashed through the terminal, sprinting past empty shops and desperate families, only to arrive at our next gate just as the ground crew closed the jet bridge. The digital sign above the desk confirmed our worst fear. Our connecting flight was gone. Exhausted and defeated, we had no choice but to join a long queue at the customer service desk to sort out our accommodation for the night. The reality of missing our connection meant spending the next 8 hours sleeping on uncomfortable airport chairs, waiting for the first available flight the next morning. It was a frustrating reminder of how a single storm can completely disrupt even the most carefully planned travel itinerary.